In this video, we will see the geometric verification of trigonometric ratios of 60 degree and 30 degree. For this, here we are requiring one equilateral triangle, ABC is an equilateral triangle. In which all three sides AB, BC and AC are equal. Let it be equal to x. All three sides are equal to x. So here we will do a construction as we can apply the trigonometric ratios only in right angle triangles. So this triangle which we have taken is an equilateral triangle. So we will do here a construction. The construction is that from this vertex A, we will draw the angle bisector of A intersecting BC at a point D. So we are drawing AD, the angle bisector of angle A. So draw AD bisecting angle A. Now since the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, so it is the property of equilateral triangle that the bisector of any angle perpendicularly bisect the opposite side. This property is special for equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle both. If we draw the angle bisector from any vertex, then this angle bisector perpendicularly bisect the opposite side. That means AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So from here we get AD, which is perpendicular to BC, and also BD, which is equal to DC. This we can use it as property of equilateral triangle. We do not need to prove it here. We can use it as the property of the equilateral triangle. Now if BD is equal to DC, and as we know that all sides AB, BC and AC are equal, so BD and DC will be half of BC. That means from here you will get BD is equal to DC, both equal to x by 2. Okay. Also, we will mark this angle D as 90 degree. Now as we know that in equilateral triangle all angles are equal to 60 degree, and the angle A, which is bisected by construction, so both the parts of angle are 30 degree each. Okay. So we have the length of AB, which is equal to x. We have the length of BD, which is equal to x by 2. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, you can find out the length of AD. For this you can use either this triangle or you can use this triangle. It's your choice. I am going to use triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, by applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB, which is equal to x square is equal to AD square plus BD, which is equal to x by 2. So x by 2 whole square. That implies x square is equal to AD square plus x square upon 4 by squaring. So x square minus x square upon 4 is equal to AD square. This implies that if we take the LCM, it will be 4. So 4x square minus x square upon 4 is equal to AD square. That implies 3x square upon 4 is equal to AD square. This implies that AD is equal to under root 3x square upon 4. That means AD is equal to. Now if we are going to square root under root 3x square, you will find out that x square will come out as x, 4 will come out as 2, and 3 will remain inside the root as root 3. So AD is equal to x root 3 upon 2. So now we have all sides AB equal to x, BD is equal to x by 2, and AD is equal to x under root 3 upon 2. So now we will find out the trigonometric verification, geometric verification of trigonometric ratios of 60 degree and 30 degree one by one. For finding out the trigonometric ratio of 60 degree, we are already having this 60 degree as the base angle. So we can use this triangle ABD as it is. But to find out the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree, we will rotate this triangle in this direction to convert 30 into our base angle. So let us find out first the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. So we start with sine. So we know that since sine theta, which is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, what this triangle, it is perpendicular AD upon hypotenuse AB. Now as we are finding out the ratio for theta is equal to 60 degree, so sine 60 degree will be equal to, now the length of AD which we have used here, x under root 3 upon 2 upon length of AB which is equal to x. That means sine 60 degree is equal to x under root 3 upon 2 into, by reciprocal it becomes 1 upon x. So x cancels and we get sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Now the remaining part of this trigonometric ratios I will tell you in the second part of this video.